I'm gonna crimp my hair for the first time. My hair gets tangled really fast. What the heck? Ooh, it's sizzling. How long should I leave it? Think that long. Oh, that didn't do anything. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. Yeah, I'm watching Outlast, and it's actually pretty good. Before building their wrap, not doing anything to my hair. To make this faster, I realized I could just split this whole part. I don't want to burn my ear.
Team Delta looks to leverage their superior. The extra effort, we're really putting out a lot of energy.
I don't know why it's so puffy right here. We'll see.
I'm not even worried about them. I'm heading straight at that island. I'm gonna get all of the
I burned my ear.
I'm not even worried about them.
Finished. And look at this side. This side looks much better than this side. Ugh, but I am still going out like this. Oh well. I just put a clip in it because I don't know how I feel about it. Well, I think it's cute, right? Right?